Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread oatmeal. This comforting breakfast combines the warm flavors of banana bread with the wholesome goodness of oatmeal. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of rolled oats, and 2 cups of your favorite milk. Don't forget a touch of cinnamon and vanilla extract for that classic taste. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by mashing 1 or 2 ripe bananas directly into a medium saucepan. Next, add 1 cup of rolled oats and 2 cups of milk. Stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, cooking for 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Once your oatmeal reaches your desired consistency, it's time to sweeten and customize. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey, adjusting to your taste preference. For delightful toppings, consider fresh banana slices, a dash of extra cinnamon, or a creamy drizzle of almond butter. A handful of chopped walnuts or pecans also adds a wonderful crunch and nutty flavor. And there you have it. Your homemade banana bread oatmeal is ready to enjoy. This incredibly simple yet satisfying breakfast can be prepared in under 10 minutes, offering a warm and comforting start to any day. It's packed with fiber and natural sweetness, providing sustained energy. Feel free to double the recipe for convenient meal prep, making your mornings even easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.